Hey my friend, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another weekly trade setup video. Today we're going to be looking at a possible trade setup on the USD Swiss franc for the week ahead. So before we actually get into the video, into the trade breakdown and analysis, if you are new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Show your support for the channel so I can keep on sharing my near 15 years experience in the FX markets, hopefully to help you become a better, more consistent, profitable trader. So let's get into the trading analysis. So I have been a little bit quiet the past couple of weeks as I am on kind of extended holiday in the UK, visiting UK and Ireland, visiting family and friends. So I'm trying to make videos in between just to keep you updated with the progress of my funded challenge accounts, and also create content and set up videos like this. So it is a idea that I've just posted on my TradingView channel. You can head over there to locate the FX Ace, and it will be there. You can actually read the post. So in this video, we're going to break down the actual analysis. Now, you will also recall a video that I posted several months ago on this pair, which was the buy idea. And it is, if we go to my TradingView profile, it was posted in July. This was it here. It was a long trade idea. It's kind of worked out, and we're going to discuss it now. It's more or less since that post, it has been rallying for 12 straight weeks. We got the close back up more or less above back inside the monthly range, which was discussed in that post. And the market has been rallying pretty hard since then. So what is next for this pair? So again, you can see this very overextended rally. We are approaching this key area on the chart here. We're inside it now, this weekly sell zone. Okay, this was the swing high that actually was the start of the move that caused this swing low down to that buy trade idea. Today it has been rallying pretty heavily, and start the week, which is usually a sign that usually when you do start the week heavily in one direction, it kind of turns, maybe on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, turns the other way. So we'll just check this here, and we can see we're very overextended, we're very overbought. We have this newly created weekly demand buy-in area here. The reason I like this area, we have this swing up here, then we have this swing low. Okay, you can see this big red candle here, and then the pivot up towards this level here. It's very strong. It broke straight through this area here. We got no reaction at all at that level, so that is kind of a clear indication it's targeting the next level up, which is actually the start of the move, the swing high start of the move. So we actually have this resistance level here where we are now. Okay, things are starting to line up. This resistance level inside this weekly sell zone. Okay, there's a previous support. You can see the reactions it's had here before. A lot of reactions here before, so we should expect some sort of a reaction here now. If we look at the daily charts, like this very last strong push up into the level. You can see it's very choppy here. Then it just breaks up clean into this level here, and we're at this resistance now. So I'm not waiting for any signal on TRFX King indicator for this. I'm simply entering this trade today. I've already entered it at 91, and I'm not waiting for a signal on this because this is a good just based on the price action, based off the momentum move into this level. I'm liking a strong reaction here at this resistance inside this sell zone. So I've entered this already on my MT4 platform. Now the target for this is going to be what we should see happen on this is should see a short move down, maybe down towards 90. That'd be the first profit target, and then maybe likely a deeper correction down towards, so this is what I'm liking here, and then deeper correction down towards 88, and then maybe the stronger move back up. So I do see this pair selling off this week over the next few days. Again, my trade setups, they are weekly swing positions, which means I've entered this trade today and the position will be closed by the end of the trading week. So it is looking good. We've entered this at 0.91. The stop loss is going to be above 92, so it's going to be 92.300, just above this sell zone here. First target is going to be 90, second target down towards 89, 88, this weekly buy in demand area where we've had this push up before. So that is the trade. Again, trade at your own risk. It is a very good setup, so and we don't need to wait for any indications here. I've simply entered this position and getting in on the action now. So that is the setup. If you would like to get access to my full list of weekly swing positions, there will be a link in the description area. You can also head over to the link in the description area also and access my TRFX King indicator here for TradingView, absolutely free. Also, don't forget to head over, look at my posts on TradingView. You will learn a lot. You'll see how I trade the markets. It is taking a top-down approach, and you can see positions here work out with a high degree of accuracy because we are trading from the same areas that the major players are looking at and where the major moves happen. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know how you get on with this position. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next video. Will over at Pips and Gains.